Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in Excel, perfect for making checklists, to-do lists, or interactive spreadsheets. First, you need to enable the Developer tab on the ribbon. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. In the window that opens, check the Developer box and click OK. Now, the Developer tab will appear on your ribbon. Next, organize your data. Make a list of tasks or items where you want checkboxes. For example, let's say we're creating a party planning checklist. Now it's time to add the checkboxes. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and choose Checkbox under Form Controls. Click in the cell where you want the first checkbox. It might not align perfectly at first, but you can drag it to position it properly inside the cell. To remove the default text like checkbox 1, right-click the checkbox, select Edit Text, and delete the text. Once your first checkbox is ready, copy it to other cells. Select the cell with the checkbox, hover over the lower right corner until the pointer turns into a thin black cross, and drag it down to fill the rest of the list. And that's it! Your checkboxes are now added to all your items, making your Excel sheet interactive and easy to use. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips.